You're looking for a pair of pruners that you can open up, trim with ease, smooth to cut, up to 0.8 inches. This may be that you are looking for. And what we're going to do and demonstrate on a branch and some brushes, show you what this is about. From the provider, VOTREK, 0.8 inch pruner, SK5 blade, PVC non-grip handle for gripping power, and a locking mechanism. We're going to open this up, show you how it cuts a branch, and so forth. Please cut the tie wrap, carefully remove from the packaging, as reading the information provided for your pruning needs. 5 times cutting with a black blade, silver blade, orange and black handle, and locking mechanism. Simply release to open and cut up to 0.8 inches. We're going to demonstrate and show you how this cuts. The pruners, you can open up on either side and lock. Double-sided locking mechanism. Branches on top, simply just grab and cut like that. We have a stick, smooth and easy to cut. The thick part of the stick, easy to cut. So if you're looking for a pair of pruners to trim your bushes, shrubbery, and more, this may be something that you are looking for your gardening needs all year round. Enjoy your gardening tool, and thank you for viewing.